Hi, how are you all? How are you all, my favorite kids? Welcome back to EVS/Science online video class. So, before starting our daily process, I want to ask you, how was your Diwali? How was your New Year? I know you cannot answer me back, but you can text or call me and say me, right? Good. So, did you burst crackers? आपने क्या फटाके फोड़े? Did you color rangoli? And did you eat sweets? Did you wear new clothes? And I hope you all stayed well. And I hope you all are healthy, because due to इतनी सारी बीमारी की वजह से you should not be going outside. So I hope you stayed home and had your share of fun, right? So before starting today's lecture, I want to do a small recap of what we have learned till now. मतलब अभी तक हमने जो किया उसके लिए हम एक और छोटा सा recap करेंगे. As you know, from term 2, मतलब from the starting of term 2 and from the ending of term 1, we have had 3 chapters completed till now. Right? अब तक हमने 3 chapters किए हैं. And what are the names of the chapter? How many of you remember? The chapter number फूड फॉर हेल्थ, राइट. हमने फूड फॉर हेल्थ किया है चैप्टर नंबर 9. देन वी स्विच टू चैप्टर नंबर 11. वो क्या था? कीपिंग सेफ एंड हेल्दी. एंड देन वी केम टू चैप्टर नंबर 12, एयर. हवा के बारे में सीखा था, राइट. सो you must be thinking कि I have already sent you PA2 paper, but there were few questions which chapter was not completed till now. Chapter number 13. Water is not completed, right? So don't worry, we are going to have 2 weeks to complete this chapter, and then you will be able to write the questions, you will be able to write the answer, you will be able to give answers to the questions that you don't know after completing this chapter. So before starting the chapter, let us do a small revision of chapter number 9, food for health. तो सब हमको पता है कि what are healthy foods, then what are the meals of the day, and what are the sources of food, plants, animals, what do we get from plants and what do we get from animals. We know all about that, right? Then we also know about keeping safe and healthy. Traffic rules के बारे में we learnt about, right? On road we learnt about what to do while we are in swimming pool or in water, then how to behave or how to keep yourself safe and healthy at home, at school, near school bus, in school bus, on the road. We have learnt all about the possibilities. Then we learnt about chapter number 12, air, हवा के बारे में, right? And it was a very important chapter, and also it was very tricky. ये सब हमने सीखा था. Like properties of air, there are many properties like that. Air gives shapes to things, new shapes to things, then it has weight. Then we learnt about uses of air, wind के बारे में. We have learnt all these things. So the new chapter that we are going to start today is chapter number 13, water. WATER, water. Now what is water? Water क्या होता है? पानी. Yes, water is पानी. So where can you find water right now? I know that you must be sitting at home right now. So if I ask you, अगर मैं पूछूं आपको that bring me a glass of water, now you may think what kind of water, right? Your first thought would be to bring a water to drink, means drinking water. Drinking water means पीने का पानी. अगर मैं आपके घर पे आके पानी मांगू तो क्या आप बाथरूम में जाके नल खोल के फिर पानी लाओगे? No, you will not bring that kind of water, right? Not tap water. What will you do? You will either go to fridge or an earthen pot, means मटके में से, या तो जो पानी का कैंट प्रो एंड ऑल द फिल्टरिंग जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं, आप उसमें से पानी लाओगे टू ड्रिंक. इफ आई आस्क यू टू ब्रिंग मी अ बकेट ऑफ वाटर टू वॉश माई क्लोथ्स, अब मैं आपको बोलूँ आई वॉन्ट टू वॉश क्लोथ्स, so bring me a bucket of water. Then what kind of water will you bring to me? You will bring me a tap water, a full bucket of tap water, either from a bathroom or from somewhere else. आप ये पानी लाओगे, right? So should I drink water from that bucket? क्या मुझे बकेट में से पानी पीना चाहिए? Should you drink water from that bucket? No, you should not drink from that bucket of water, right? Then this chapter is going to be almost same as chapter number 12. Air के बारे में ही, like we had properties of air, and this chapter we are going to have properties of water. We had uses of air. In this chapter we are going to learn about uses of water. So there are different kind of water. Same as food, like healthy means a clean water or unclean means dirty water. You can find water most probably everywhere. घर से बाहर निकलो. See, in front of my house, it's a huge river in front of my house, full of water. It's filled up with water. Then I have a fridge at my home, in which bottles are filled up with clean water, right? आप कभी भी फ्रिज के अंदर गंदा पानी भर के रखोगे पीने के लिए? No. You use water for different purposes. You use water for bathing, right? नहाने के लिए, पीने के लिए, wash करने के लिए, to clean objects, to do many kind of stuffs with water. So I hope that you are familiar with the word water. Now shall we start the chapter? Let's go. Now my dear kids, please take out your textbook and read along with me. मेरे साथ पढ़ने का try कीजिए. Everyone please take out page number 119, chapter number 13, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Water means पानी. So on the first page, a small exercise is given here, right? And there are many people doing some actions, means अलग अलग type के काम कर रहे हैं. Now let us read what is given here. Write down the 5 uses of water. Means there are 5 blanks given here. खाली जगह दी है, and we have to write 5 things in which water is being used. So before writing down, let us understand what is given here. Okay, we'll start with the first picture. There is a girl and a small puppy. What is she doing? She is cleaning or giving a bath to her dog. See, there is a tub and she is cleaning her dog. Those who have dogs at their home, किसी किसी के घर पे, आपके घर पे dogs होंगे, right? So once in a month or twice in a month you wash or clean your dogs, right? So we use water to do this action. Number 2, what is this man doing? See, they all are in garden. So what is this man doing? He has a watering can. उसके पास पानी का जग है and he is watering plants. Can you see? Water is coming right out of the handle of the can. That means, see, you all know plants need water to grow, right? Plants को तो water चाहिए. So this man is watering the plants. Number 3, the man here, he has a pipe in his hand. उसके हाथ में क्या है? Pipe है. And what is this water? He is using water to clean his car. We all do that, right? So we also have cars, we all have scooties at home. So when it gets dirty, we use water to clean it. And 4th picture, this lady, what is she doing? She is pouring the water in a bowl for birds. See, there are 3 birds, 1, 2 and 3. So birds need water to drink. So she is helping them by pouring water into the bowl. And the last picture, the 5th picture, what can you see? See, there is a window. एक घर के उधर क्या है? एक window है. And you can see right through the window, there is a girl. She is washing utensils. Utensils means बर्तन धोना. बर्तन को धो रहे, right? You need water to clean and wash utensils. बर्तन धोने के लिए you need water. There are many things given. There are many things that are in which we use water. So we are going to write down these 5 actions on this page. We'll start with number 1. What is she doing? She is washing. So we'll write washing dog. D-O-G, dog. Number 1 is washing dog. Number 2, watering plants. So W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G, watering plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. P-L-A-N-T-S, watering plants. Number 3, what is he doing? What is he doing? He is washing his car. So washing, W-A-S-H, wash, I-N-G, washing car, C-A-R, car. Number 4, what is she doing? What action is being done here? What is it used for? It is used for drinking, right? Drinking by birds. So D-R-I-N-K, drink, I-N-G, drinking. I mean, she is not drinking, but we have to write down what is being used for. So it is going to be used to drink, right? Birds ko drink karne ke liye water is given here. And the last picture, in this picture, she is cleaning. What are we using water here for? To clean utensils. So we are going to write cleaning, C-L-E-A-N, clean, I-N-G, cleaning means saaf karna. So here these 5 were the purposes of the water in this picture. Let us learn more about the uses of water. So now we are going to turn the page over. Please come to page number 120. Okay. So on page number 120, what do we have? The first topic, uses of water. Uses of water means we already have learnt about uses of air. Air के बारे में हमने सीखा था, right? कि air हमें किस किस तरीके से काम आता है. So in the same manner, we are going to learn about uses of water. Let us start by reading the first sentence. Water has many important uses. I am in P-O-R, por, T-A-N-T, tant, important. What is the meaning of important? Please underline it first. Important means बहुत ही काम का. Like this is very important. Water has many important uses. Means water के बहुत सारे important means काम की ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें हम लोग water use करते हैं. Now, let us learn about a few uses of water. There are points given here on how we can use water in different ways. What is number 1? Note down number 1. We need water to drink. Please underline the word drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink means पीने के लिए. Like in chapter number 12, air, what have we learnt? What was the first uses of air? That we need air to breathe. सबसे important था, right? सांस लेने के लिए we need air. So in the same way, what is the most important thing? We need water to drink. हम लोग को water चाहिए पीने के लिए. Drink means पीना. Most living things such as plants, living things. See, underline this. L-I-V-I-N-G, wing, living things. Living things means those things which can breathe on its own. So most living things such as means the examples are given. Plants and animals. Plants and animals both are living things, right? Plants and animals need water to drink. Means plants और animals को क्या चाहिए? उनको भी पानी चाहिए to drink. We also need clean water to drink. We means हम इंसान, human beings. So human beings, plants and animals, we all three need water to drink. We all need water for the same purpose. Drinking dirty water, D-I-R-T-Y. We also need clean water to drink. Means हमें पीने के लिए पानी तो चाहिए, but कैसा पानी चाहिए? We need clean water, साफ सुथरा water, right? Drinking dirty water can make us ill. What is dirty water? Please underline the word D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Dirty means ganda. Clean means साफ. Dirty means ganda. So drinking dirty water means खराब पानी पीने से can make us ill. Means ill. I-L-L. Ill means बीमार पड़ जाना. To get sick. To fall sick. Right? So we should always drink clean water. Water can be made clean and safe for drinking by boiling or filtering it. First, let us just understand the first part of the sentence. Water can be made clean and safe. S-A-F-E, safe means अपने लिए. Clean means साफ सुथरा, एंड सेफ मीन्स अपने आप को बचाने के लिए. सो वाटर कैन बी मेड क्लीन एंड सेफ मीन्स हम उसको अच्छा, साफ सुथरा और बॉडी के लिए सही कैसे बना सकते हैं? बाय बॉइलिंग. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बॉइलिंग? BOIL, बॉइल, ING. बॉइलिंग मीन्स पानी को उबालना. पानी को उबालने को क्या बोलते हैं? बॉइलिंग. सो बॉइलिंग मीन्स उबालना, पानी को गर्म करना. ऑन इफ यू टेक अ बाउल ऑफ वाटर एंड यू कीप इट ऑन गैस, और फिर जब गर्म होने के बाद पानी उबलने लगता है, दैट मीन्स ऑल द जर्म्स विल गेट killed while boiling water, and then the water will be safe for drinking. तो boiling or filtering, FIL, fill, TER, ING, filtering means there is a filtering paper, या तो फिर एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट आता है in which dirty water gets filtered by itself, and it is after that it will be available for a drinking purpose, right? So what have we learned till now? That the main use of water means the main purpose of water is to drink. पीने के लिए हमें पानी चाहिए, right? So how can you be sure that you are going to drink clean water? कि आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि जो आप पानी पी रहे हो वो clean water है? So there are two examples given here by which you can be sure that you are going to get or you are going to drink clean water. What is it? By boiling, number one, and second was filtering. So we already know that we need water to drink. पीने के लिए चाहिए, and all living things need water to drink. Plants, animals and us. Us means human beings. आपको, मुझे, सबको, we all need water to drink. So and we need clean water. हमें अच्छा पानी, साफ सुथरा पानी चाहिए. So we can get that by boiling or filtering. So let us move forward. Second paragraph. We need water for many other things, such as means we need water, हमें पानी चाहिए for many other things, for different actions, for different purposes we need water. So which are they? Such as bathing, BATHING, bathing. See, can you see this boy? He is bathing. Bathing means नहाने के लिए we need water, right? खाली सोप लगाने से तो कुछ नहीं होगा. You need to clean off soap from your body, right? सोप निकालने के लिए you need water. Which is the number 2? This is number 1. Which is the number 2? Cooking food. Cooking food means कहाँ पे? This girl, see? The first girl here, she is cooking food. Cooking food means खाना बनाना, like your mummy does. मम्मी खाना बनाती, right? So you need water for that also. Then washing clothes. Please underline this. Number 3. Washing clothes means, see this. Washing clothes means अपने कपड़े धोने के लिए. You can wash clothes either in washing machine. आप washing machine में भी धो सकते हो पानी से, या तो फिर आप हाथ से भी धो सकते हो, right? You can do it in both ways, but to do that you need water. And dishes, DISHES, please underline this also. Dishes means अपने बर्तन धोने के लिए. Dish, plates, then bowls, glass, spoon, fork. You need water to clean them also. And which is the fifth one? Under watering plants, WATERING, watering plants. Underline this. This is the fifth one. This girl. And on first page also it was given here. This man. See what is he doing? He is watering plants. Means plants को उगने के लिए they need water. Number 6. Cleaning our homes. Cleaning, CLEANING, cleaning our homes. This is number 6. Means कचरा पोता करने के टाइम, कचरा निकालने के टाइम you mop the floor, right? आप पोता लगाते हो, पोछा लगाते हो, तो you need water for that. And which is the last one, 7th one? Putting out fires. Underline this also. This is also very important. Putting out fire means, see, a firefighter, a fireman is standing here. He has a pipe in his hand, and what is he doing? This is fire, right? Fire जलने के लिए we need air. तो इधर एयर है, पर फिर अगर उसको बुझाना हो, आग बुझाने के लिए यू नीड वाटर. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट when something bad happens, when there is a fire. Till now, what have we learned? We know that the most important use of water is to drink. And we, means human beings, plants and animals, we all need water to drink. Now what else do we need water for? The most basic routine. We need water daily in our life for multi-purposes, for different kind of purposes, for variety of things. Like the main thing is, when you get up in the morning, you need to bath, you need to brush your teeth, right? So you need water for that. Then you have breakfast, so that means you need water to cook, खाना बनाने के लिए. Then what does mummy do after you bath? She washes your clothes, right? So we need water to wash our clothes. Then we need water to water our plants, for watering plants. Plants को उगने के लिए भी they also need water. Then at the end of the day, what do? You clean your homes, means पोछा लगाते हो with a mop. So you need water for that. Then at time of crisis or at time of trouble, when there is a fire, जब आग लग जाती है, so you need water to put out that fire. So these are all the simple basic routine in which you need water for. Now we are going to learn how to save water. These were the uses of water. Main to have to drink, and then cooking, bathing, watering, then washing, cleaning dishes, cleaning our homes, putting out fire. These all are the external examples in which water can be used. Now we are going to learn about how to save water. Means हम पानी को कैसे बचा सकते हैं. Now we are going to think कि why is there a need to save water and how can you do it. See, in the morning when you get up, you please notice when you are brushing your teeth, do you keep your tap open? जब आप ब्रश कर रहे हो तो क्या आप नल खोला रख देते हो? If you do that, don't do it, because it is a bad thing to let your water get wasted in such way. जब आप ब्रश कर रहे होते हो तो टैप, while you are brushing, make sure that you do not keep your tap running, you do not keep it open, and please close your tap. Or while you are bathing, make sure, or while you are washing your clothes, make sure your tap is not running. Close the tap, turn off the tap so that water may not get wasted. So let us learn today that how are we going to save water. Let's go. The last topic for today is how to save water. See, water is a very useful thing, hence we should not waste it. Underline the word wasted. Waste karna means जाने देना, बिगाड़ना, to not use it in a proper way. It is very important. Water is rare and it is in less quantity, and it is very useful and important for us. So we should not waste it. Here are a few things we can do to save water. There are 4 points given here by which you can try to save water in your daily life, which is number 1 is turn off the tap while brushing our teeth. Underline this also. Save water. Save water means बचाने का. Turn off the tap. Turn off करना means नल को बंद करना. While brushing our teeth, if you keep your tap running, then you should turn it off. What should you do? You should turn off. So underline the word T-U-R-N. Turn. It is not turn. What is the sound of U? A. U का sound क्या था? A. तो T-U T-R-N. Turn off. O-F-F. Off. Off करना means बंद करना. It is not O-F. It is O-double-F. O-double-F means बंद करना. So turn off the tap while brushing our teeth. Tap means null. Number 2. Take a quick bath. Q-U-I. Quick. C-K का quick. Quick means बहुत जल्दी, फटाफट. Take a quick bath. You should not waste your water. किसी ठंडी आ गई, it is winter, so let me waste the time of geyser. Let me use more hot water. और बहुत गरम गरम पानी से नहाने की इच्छा तो गीजर चालू करके नहीं रखना चाहिए. You should turn off the geyser and take a quick bath. Do not play with water. Do not stand in the bathroom and do not play with water. Do not let water get wasted. Right? Number 3. Remember to turn off the taps. Remember, R-E-M, rim, E-M-M, B-E-R, bar. Remember means याद रखना. Remember to turn off the taps in the bathroom after use. Means जब आपका काम हो जाए bathroom में, like washing clothes or washing different objects or while bathing or brushing, remember that when you leave your bathroom, you should always turn off your taps. One, which is the last one, number 4. Reuse water. Reuse means वापस use करो. Reuse water. Now how can you use the same water? आप तो पानी को क्या एक बार use कर लो तो फिर जाने देते हो, right? But there are ways in which you can reuse the same water. Like water used for washing fruits and vegetables. Like when your mummy or you go out and bring fruits and vegetables from the market, you ought to wash and clean your fruits and vegetables, right? Fruits and vegetables होते हो, तो how can we use that water? It can be reused to wash our car too. Means अपने कार को धोने के लिए भी आप use कर सकते हो, right? You don't need always clean water. I mean, yes, you need clean water, but you don't need drinking water to clean your car, right? आप तो कोई भी पानी use कर सकते हो. So you can use the same water by which you have washed your fruits and vegetables. It can also be used to water the plants in the garden. You can use the same water to water the plants in your garden. So these are the 4 ways in which you can save water. There are 4 points in which you can use and you can save water. What was the first one? That you can turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Means while you are brushing your teeth, turn off the tap. When you want to wash your mouth, when you want to clean your teeth, turn it on. Turn the tap on. Then clean your face, clean your mouth, and then again turn it off. Then when you leave the bathroom, जब आप bathroom से आप निकलते हो, then always turn it off. Always turn off the taps. Then take a quick bath. Means जल्दी नहा लेने से. Do not use too much of hot water. One, because it is not good to use too much of heat on your body. बहुत ही गरम चीज़ें खाने से, तो बहुत गरम पानी से नहाने से it will damage your skin. So it is not advisable to use too much of warm or hot water on your body. So do not use that. Take a quick bath, brush your teeth quickly, turn all the taps when you leave your home. Then reuse water. Means एक पर्पस के लिए, if you are using water for some particular purpose, you can use the same water for something else, not to drink, पीने के लिए नहीं. But if you are washing your fruits and vegetables in a tub or in a bucket, use that same water to water your plants or to clean or wash your car. So we have learnt about uses of water, how to save water, right? ये हमने आज सब कर लिया. Tomorrow we are going to learn about properties of water. Like we learnt about properties of air. हमने air के बारे में सीखा था, right? They had different 4 kind of properties. So here we are going to learn about properties of water and where we get water from. Means पानी भी हमें कहीं से तो मिलता होगा ना, हमारे नल से कहाँ से आता होगा. So we are going to learn that about in tomorrow's period. So I hope that you understood today's chapter, today's first page. If you have any doubt, let me know. I'm going to repeat it in all the 5-6 periods that I'm going to get. And as we complete this chapter, if you have any question answers remaining in your PA2 paper, PA2 में तो कुछ रह गए होंगे, right? Chapter 13 air के बारे में. So complete that question answers after we complete the chapter. So I'm going to meet you tomorrow in Thursday's video. Okay, take care, bye.